I got the call. It's going to be number 1 lane, northbound, 75.
Is the one that you advised blue?
It's going to be in front of it's the red Toyota RAV4 in front of the blue sedan. And the number 1 lane, correct?
Correct, SO. Well, they just lit him up and he's not stopping, so I guess they are.
Hey, looks like he's trying to do a roadblock, guys. If we can get up there and help him out. Alright, he's driving over the grass. He's pit him. He pit him. Guys, let's go up there if we can help him. He just pit him. He's going to be right by Franklin.